In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert mathematical operators into your Microsoft Word document. This simple tutorial will help you enhance your documents with the right symbols, perfect for academic or professional use. Let's dive right in and make those equations look just right. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Word file. If you haven't opened your document yet, go ahead and locate it on your computer, then double-click to open. Now that your document is open and ready, let's move to the next step. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Insert tab. If you look at the top of your Word window, you'll see a series of tabs starting with Home on the far left. Insert is just a few tabs over, so go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find all the options you need to tweak or add content to your document, from pictures and tables to charts and more. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Symbol option. Usually it's on the far right of the toolbar. Click on Symbol, and when the drop-down menu appears, you'll see an option that says More Symbols. Click on that to open the Symbol dialog box, where you can find a vast array of symbols to include in your document. Now that you have the Symbol dialog box open, it's time to fine-tune your selection. You'll notice that it lists various subsets of symbols, which can be quite handy depending on your needs. For mathematical symbols, switch the subset to Mathematical Operators. This is where you'll find the full range of mathematical symbols you're likely to need, from basic arithmetic symbols to more complex operators used in algebra and beyond. Once you've found the symbol you want to insert, simply click on it to select it, and then hit the Insert button next to the list. You'll see the chosen symbol appear in your document exactly at the point where your cursor was placed. And just like that, you're done. With a few simple steps, you've effectively inserted a mathematical operator into your Word document, making it ready for academic or professional presentation. This small tweak can make a big difference in the readability and professionalism of your document. This process is a straightforward way to make sure your Word documents include all the necessary symbols and operators to convey your message accurately. Now that you know how to do it, you'll be able to enhance any document with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more helpful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.